Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 14, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 14, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, March 14, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 14, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lot 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, March 14, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for March 14, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.